Every week I meet people who moved to Florida and within 6 months they regret one decision they made when they arrived. The problem is, almost everyone makes the same 5 mistakes when relocating here, and mistake number 4 can cost you tens of thousands of dollars if you don't know about it. If you're thinking about moving to Florida, especially South Florida, watch this video carefully because avoiding these mistakes can completely change your experience living here. Let me start with something that surprises a lot of people. Every single week I talk to someone who tells me they are planning on moving to Florida because they imagine sunshine every day, ocean views, lower taxes, and a lifestyle that feels like being on vacation year-round. And honestly, a lot of those expectations are not wrong. Florida can absolutely offer an incredible lifestyle with beautiful beaches, warm weather boating, world-class restaurants, and a vibrant international culture that attracts people from all over the United States and around the world. But here is the part that most people do not realize until after they move. A large number of people who relocate to Florida end up making mistakes that could have easily been avoided if they had understood how the Florida lifestyle and the Florida real estate market actually work. I've had people call me 6 months after relocating and say something like, I wish someone had told me this before we bought our home. Or if we had known this earlier, we probably would have chosen a completely different area. The truth is that moving to Florida is not just about choosing a house. It is about choosing the right lifestyle, the right location, and the right long-term strategy for living here. And if this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living and investing in South Florida, make sure you press the button below to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know about new opportunities in the current market in South Florida. We get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you're moving tomorrow or in 1 year, you can reach out to us anytime. Our contact information is in the description box below. We would be happy to help you have a smooth move to South Florida. Now, let's start with mistake number 1. One of the most common mistakes people make when moving to Florida is assuming that the entire state offers the same lifestyle. From the outside, Florida may seem like one big sunny destination with beaches, palm trees, and warm weather. But in reality, the different regions of Florida can feel almost like completely different states. For example, living in Miami is very different from living in Naples. And living in Fort Lauderdale feels completely different from living in Orlando or Tampa. Even within South Florida itself, the atmosphere and lifestyle can change dramatically depending on the city or neighborhood you choose. Miami tends to be fast-paced, international, and very cosmopolitan. It is a global city with strong connections to Latin America and Europe, and it attracts entrepreneurs, investors, and luxury buyers from all over the world. The lifestyle in Miami often revolves around high-rise luxury condominiums, nightlife, restaurants, and a vibrant cultural scene. Fort Lauderdale, on the other hand, is often known as the Venice of America because of its incredible network of waterways and its strong boating culture. Many people who live in Fort Lauderdale are drawn to the waterfront lifestyle, the marinas, and the balance between luxury living and a more relaxed coastal atmosphere. Then you have Boca Raton, which offers a completely different environment again. Boca is known for its luxury gated communities, golf course, excellent schools, and a lifestyle that many families and professionals find extremely appealing. Palm Beach County has its own personality as well, with world-famous estates, equestrian communities, and a quieter, formal luxury that attracts people looking for elegance and privacy. So when someone tells me they are thinking about moving to Florida, one of the first things I ask them is not what kind of house they want, but what kind of lifestyle they are looking for. Because choosing the right location is one of the most important decisions you will make when relocating. The mistake people make is visiting Florida for a short vacation, falling in love with one particular area, and assuming that the experience they had during that visit represents what everyday life will feel like. Vacation Florida and real life Florida can be very different experiences. Taking time to explore different cities, neighborhoods, and lifestyles can make an enormous difference in your long term satisfaction with where you live. Another major mistake people make when relocating to Florida is assuming that the cost of living is significantly lower than where they are moving from. Now, it is true that Florida offers some very attractive financial advantages, particularly because the state does not have a state income tax, which is one of the reasons so many people move here from places like New York, California, New Jersey, and Illinois. However, the absence of state income tax does not necessarily mean that everything else is inexpensive. Over the past several years, the Florida real estate market, especially in South Florida, has experienced substantial growth in property values. Luxury waterfront homes, oceanfront condominiums, and new construction developments in places like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Boca Raton can easily reach prices in the millions of dollars. Even outside the luxury market, housing prices have increased significantly in many areas due to strong demand from both domestic and international buyers. But housing costs are only part of the equation. When people move to Florida, they also need to consider homeowners insurance, flood insurance, property taxes, maintenance expenses, and in many cases, condominium association fees. In luxury condo buildings, the association fees may include amenities such as concierge services, security, fitness centers, pools, spas, and maintenance of the building itself. While these amenities can provide an incredible lifestyle, they can also represent a significant monthly cost that buyers need to plan for. Understanding the true cost of living in Florida before you move can help you avoid financial surprises later. And if you are seriously thinking about relocating to Florida or moving somewhere in South Florida and you want to understand which areas might fit your lifestyle and your goals best, this is exactly what I talk about on this channel every week. I share insights about the Florida lifestyle, the real estate market, luxury communities, new construction developments, and the different areas that people are choosing when they move here. So if you are planning a move or even just starting to explore the idea, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because these videos are designed to help you make smarter decisions before you move. And now let's continue with mistake number 3, which has a lot to do with lifestyle. One of the most important things people forget when moving to Florida is that Florida is fundamentally a lifestyle state. People do not move here only because of the house or the weather. They move here because they want a different way of living. For some people, their lifestyle revolves around the ocean and boating. For others, it revolves around golf communities, private clubs, or luxury condominiums, living with resort-style amenities. Some people want to live in vibrant areas where they can walk to restaurants, cafes, and entertainment. Others prefer quiet neighborhoods where they can enjoy privacy and tranquility. The mistake happens when someone chooses a property based only on price or square footage without thinking about how their daily life will actually unfold in that location. For example, someone who loves the beach might feel frustrated if they end up living 40 minutes inland. Someone who enjoys walking to restaurants and shops might feel disconnected in a neighborhood that requires driving everywhere. When you move to Florida, you want your home to support the lifestyle you imagined when you decided to relocate. Thinking carefully about lifestyle preferences before choosing a location can make an enormous difference in how much you enjoy living here. Another important mistake people make when relocating to Florida is not fully understanding how climate and insurance considerations can influence property ownership here. Florida's coastal beauty is one of the things that make it so appealing, but it also means that buyers need to understand factors such as hurricane preparedness, flood zones, and insurance coverage. Certain types of properties may require higher insurance premiums depending on their location, age, and structural features. Newer construction homes and buildings are often designed with modern hurricane-resistant standards that can improve safety and sometimes help reduce insurance costs. Working with professionals who understand the Florida real estate market and the insurance landscape can help buyers navigate these factors more effectively. Ignoring them, however, can lead to unexpected expenses after the purchase. The final mistake I want to talk about today is something that happens surprisingly often. Many people spend months thinking about moving to Florida, browsing listings online, watching videos, and imagine what their life here might look like, but they never take the time to truly understand how the Florida housing market works. The reality is that many of the most desirable properties in Florida sell quickly, particularly in areas with strong demand and limited supply. New construction developments may sell a large portion of their inventory before the buildings are even completed. And buyers who understand the timing of the market can sometimes take advantage of opportunities that others miss. Learning about the market early, even before you are ready to buy, gives you a tremendous advantage because it allows you to recognize value when the right opportunity appears. Moving to Florida can truly transform your lifestyle. You have access to sunshine almost every day of the year, beautiful beaches, incredible boating opportunities, and a dynamic culture that blends people from all over the world. But like any major decision, the key to success is preparation. If you avoid these 5 mistakes and take the time to understand the different regions, the true cost of living, the lifestyle options available, the insurance consideration, and the dynamics of the Florida real estate market, you will be in a much stronger position to make a move that you will enjoy for many years to come. If you are planning on moving to Florida or relocating somewhere in South Florida and you want guidance on the best areas, the lifestyle options, and the opportunities that exist in today's market, I would love to help. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos about living in Florida, luxury real estate, and relocation tips. And if you want to discuss your move personally, you can reach out to me directly, and I will be happy to help you navigate the process of finding the right place here in Florida. And I will see you in the next video.